Types of craniosynostosis. There are four main cranial sutures which we already discussed, that were metopic, coronal, sagittal and lambdoid. So the first type of craniosynostosis is trigonocephaly. So when the metopic suture get prematurely fused, it will known as trigonocephaly. The premature fusion of coronal suture is known as brachycephaly. Premature fusion of sagittal suture is known as scaphocephaly or dolichocephaly. And premature fusion of lambdoid suture is known as turicephaly. So firstly we will discuss the trigonocephaly. As we discussed that in this trigonocephaly there is premature fusion of metopic suture. So there will be no growth on perpendicular direction to this metopic suture. It will leads to closure of the orbit, which is known as the hypotalorism, and underdeveloped ethmoidal sinuses. Similarly, the medial part of orbit will be slants upside. So these are the main feature of trigonocephaly. Next one is the brachycephaly. So in this brachycephaly, there will be the no growth perpendicular to these coronal sutures. It will leads to the tall cranium, and on the ipsilateral side of premature fusion of coronal suture, there will be elevated eyeballs, and on the contralateral side there will be frontal bossing. So this appearance of the eye is known as the harlequin eye. And similarly in the metopic there is quizzical eye appearance. And one thing more to remember in the brachycephaly is that there is the mental retardation seen in the brachycephaly patients. Now next one is the sagittal or the scaphocephaly. So in this, scaphocephaly is the most common among all of them. In the scaphocephaly, there will be no growth perpendicular to the sagittal sutures in this direction. It will leads to an elevated skull which will give the upside down boat appearance. The head is longer and the narrower. There is no mental retardation in these patients and they have normal IQ. It is associated with the Marfan syndrome. And this lambdoid or the turicephaly is the least common among all of them. So these were the types of craniosynostosis. Thank you.